and the money and the resources and everything, these people could make a success over their things like that. And so the farming industry is just, I guess, in all intents and purposes, everywhere. But here I notice old rundown barns, those kind of things like that. So it'd be great to, get people back. There's lots of land up here. There's lots of nature. It's amazing. Just
I like where you're going. And who will tend for the land?
Who's going to do it?
Who will tend the fires?
Right.
Who will tend to the food? That's why everyone's here on their own levels, right?
Yeah. Or it's going to be lost forever. You know, and I don't know if it could be lost completely, but we've lost a lot.
Yes. And this is regenerative. This is rebuilding. That's why I'm here to rebuild and build some new cultures. And I wonder why you're here.
I am here to observe and to listen, and this is all new to me. So, I'm getting to learn a lot, and this has been kind of part of my nature too for a while. And knowing there's something wrong with the way we live life, it goes outside of the rhythms of what your heart and your soul really wants.